So I am not at all surprised.
Yes.
It was as if like a mathematical formulation. It was scheduled to
you
go,
think,
and it
no,
is
no, you
happening.
think nobody in the Aam Aadmi Party realized that? No, 1 second. You think, let's get back Kamal Mitra Chenoy. Mr. Chenoy, I'm sure you are introspecting tonight as this debate is going on at the terrible state of affairs in your party. Do you think, I find it impossible to believe that nobody within the Aam Aadmi Party realized what they were doing. I mean, here was a person, Arvind Kejriwal, who said, I want to go into politics because this Andolan and Anshan route does not work. And then when he came to power, he teamed up with the same party he had been criticizing all this while, which he called the most corrupt party in the world, the Congress Party, to form the government, and then went back to the Andolan and Anshan route, and while being chief minister decided to give a 50% cut in power bills to his political party supporters. I mean, he violated every single rule of public trust, Kamal Mitra Chenoy. Every single rule of public trust violated by this person, Arvind Kejriwal. I just want to ask you, Kamal Mitra Chenoy, why do you still stick on to them? You're not lusting for power.
Because I believe in the party. I don't stick on to any individual, nor do most of the people in the AAP. And by the way, some of the things that you've raised, correctly I think, like Somnath Bharti, we called 42 African envoys, of which 35 came, and sharply rebuked him. He wasn't present, and Arvind apologized. So as far as Shazia Ilmi's statements were concerned, it was made in a private room of a private house. It was illegally videotaped. And Mr.
Come on,
Pandita,
now that's again arrogance.
Admitted that he was a follower of Modi.
No.
And check up from your lawyer. This is a violation of law.
You know, I'm reminded.
Ragini.
Arnab.
And as for Ragini, she should be reminded about what's happening to the Congress without giving us lectures.
Yeah. No, in public life you do not make private
I'm reminded of what Mr. Arvind Kejriwal said in his first speech in Banaras. He went there, asked people whether he should contest this election or not. And the second thing which he said was, you vote for us and we will have elections in another year. So it is pre-evident that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal knew that he is actually institutionalizing instability in our democracy. There have been so many flaws, and the very reason that I mentioned he's not learning from his mistakes is because most of the leaders who have fallen out of the party have been categorically saying that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is a habitual autocrat and has dictatorial instincts. There is complete collapse of internal democracy. No talk of Swaraj, nothing at all. Despite that, there was no effort being made from the highest leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party to resolve this crisis.
You didn't see this coming, Kamal Mitra Chenoy.
It has precipitated to this level.
But Arnav, if this is true, how come there was complete amity, complete confluence on the resolution that was the last item to be passed in the National Executive today? Why did everyone agree? Why didn't people stand up and say no? This is against the Aam Aadmi Party principles.
Well, maybe
Please
because
look at your own.
But maybe because
worrying. We respect the media, but if you jump to conclusions, then it doesn't help.
No, one second. Here is what Yogendra Yadav says. Don't keep bashing the media. It's a very bad habit. Sabha, I'm coming to you. I just don't want to let that kind of comment.
I'm not bashing
that
you.
That kind of comment from Kamal Mitra Chenoy go unrebutted. You see, I'll tell you, Mr. Chenoy.
You are quoting Yogen Yadav's earlier statement.
No, I'm quoting Yogendra Yadav's letter.
The final resolution.
I'll tell you what he says. I understand English, and I presume as a professor you understand English better than me. Yogendra Yadav says there is a difference between a leader and a supremo, right? Love and affection for a leader often turns into a personality cult that can damage the organization and the leader himself. That is what is happening to our party. So you asked me, why did everyone agree? Because maybe you don't have a leader, you have a supremo. Everyone falls in line. I mean, it's a terrible thing to hear, but it's a fact possibly. And then, by the way, a leader...
You ask people, including your panel, whether I am a follower. No,
you are
a blind follower.
You are not a...
Ask them about Anand Kumar. Is he a blind follower?
Well,
There's a whole list of us. Jammu Anand and Nagpur. Is he a blind follower?
No,
I mean, what is this, Arnab?
I'll tell you about Mr. Professor Anand Kumar. You can ask him. He came on the program and he could not defend effectively, despite being a professor, I think, of sociology. He could not defend why the Aam Aadmi Party was not taking a position on Khap Panchayats. A couple of days later, after that program, Yogendra Yadav calls and he says that, you know, we don't like the tone of your channel. Either you change or you would stop sending people to your party. So I'm very sorry, Professor Kamal Mitra Chenoy, whether it's Anand Kumar or
But
for that matter Yogendra Yadav, we are all in the same boat.
And knows that I'm coming to your channel.
We are all in this, you know, we saw this whole arrogance is a bad thing. That's all. That's the, and by the way, when we, for example, reveal the story that Arvind Kejriwal wanted not one but two magnificent bungalows to work, live and operate from, he was really angry. I mean, these are the things that when you cheated the people, you said, I don't want the perks of office, but this is exactly what you wanted. You clutched on to it. And when channels started asking you, you would not take it well. The point is tonight, maybe all of this has come back to haunt you. That's all. Yes, Sabha, you wanted to make a point here. Yeah, Ajay Bose after Sabha.
Arnab, I want to make a point about your thing that they were boycotting your channel, because I actually, while I was calling up for a story one day, having covered the BJP and the Congress and all the parties, I actually said to one of the leaders, why are you boycotting the media? Please remember the history of the BJP when they used to be attacked, but they never boycotted anyone.
Yep.
They made sure they were heard in every platform, in every press conference. So I actually said this to them. And so anyway, but to get back, I think it's a foolish thing to boycott anyone in the media. You can keep saying your things even if you don't like
That's
what the
right.
media is saying. Having said that, I want to make one more point, Arnab, is that all the crises that the Aam Aadmi Party is facing, and even though the idea of the Supremo and the leader is never a great idea, but that's how it's working out in real life. You have an effective Supremo in the BJP, in the Aam Aadmi Party, for all the mistakes he's made. Please remember, it was Arvind Kejriwal who had that stupendous win in Delhi, and even in Varanasi, in the face of a huge wave, he got over 2 lakh votes, which was a wave for Narendra Modi. Whereas in Haryana, they did dismally. You know, so at the end of it, it's not even electoral arithmetic. I'm just saying parties need a leader in this day and age.
No, I'm sure they do.
I can't see anyone else becoming an alternative to him, to whatever is left. Whatever is left of Aam Aadmi Party.
I'm sure you do. If you do feel that the Aam Aadmi Party with 3 or 4 seats is the national alternative, that's all right. And that's also 3 or 4 seats with a divided party leadership,
No, I'm not
fighting
saying that.
and squabbling
I'm
among
not
each other.
saying that,
One sec. Yes, Ajay.
I'm not saying that.
Honor, do not, please. You know, so many of the points which you have raised about arrogance, indiscipline, inconsistency are very correct. But you'll be making a big mistake if you're writing the political obituary of AAP already. Because it's a young party, there is a huge vacuum in the opposition space, and it takes a long time to build a party. You look at the history of various parties. In the beginning, they made asses of themselves. You look at the history of various political leaders. They made asses of themselves. I can name you one after the other. So do not, I mean, my point is, let us, I think, over-romanticize the AAP. We built it up too much. On the other hand, we shouldn't go to the other extreme and rubbish it completely. They have huge potential.
Well, I tell you,
I think Kejriwal has grown. He's a very effective mass leader.
I tell you this.
All I'm trying to say is do not completely write him off.
Ajay,
do not write off the AAP. That would be a big mistake.
Ajay, as I go to Sudhanshu Trivedi, I just want to make one point, that unlike others, we were never romantically involved with the AAP. So we don't move to the other extreme. We've stayed the course and asked the same questions that we are asking the same questions that we did. So we've had no platonic or romantic relationship with a political party ever, not leave alone the AAP. Sudhanshu Trivedi wanted to come into the debate. Yes, Mr. Trivedi. Yeah.
Honest, stop trivializing.
Yes, I just want to say, if you want to become a symbol of morality, this should be consistent in your career throughout. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, when he was Commissioner Income Tax, he was enjoying his Bangalore entitlement, whatever he was entitled, and his wife was also having. Suddenly when he becomes Chief Minister, he says, no, I will not take. On the other hand, I would like to point out, in BJP, there is a cadre of organization secretaries who come from RSS. They never take any Bangla. They live in the party office. They never assume any post. They never become MLA. They never become MP. So it is a consistent track record of the 60 years. That becomes a symbol of morality, not only at one occasion or the other. Second thing, they say, we will not use
RSS
government
is not a
vehicles.
political party.
And when they are going for
Suvanshuji.
swearing in, this
Aam
was
Aadmi
not the
Party is a
personal event.
political force.
This was
I'm
the
sorry.
official event.
I'm sorry, Mr. Trivedi.
And
I'm
second
sorry,
thing,
Mr. Trivedi.
they have
Let me just
started
point
using
out
the word that media
out
is
of your
sold out.
71 MPs from
One
Uttar
thing I
Pradesh,
would like to
22
point
have
out,
criminal
that
records.
BJP is the political party in the
22.
independent
You
know,
history.
91% MPs
have criminal
of
records.
the Bharatiya Janata Party.
But we never use
Arnab,
this word
please,
that media is sold
listen
out.
to me, 91%
Their
of the
minister
MPs
on
of the
camera
Bharatiya
has
Janata
said
Party
कि
are
मोदी ने आपको
crorepati's.
कितने पैसे दिए हैं.
I-
30%
This
of the
type of
MPs have
attitude
criminal charges
ultimately
against them.
Morality
leads
is
to
important.
disaster,
15% out
and
of
there are
those are
certain
severe criminal
principles.
charges.
Arnab.
I mean, BJP
Yeah.
is trying to be the symbol of morality within the parliament, I think.
Well, you
I
know-
mean, please stop chastising and stop sermonizing people. Arnab, I want to make a point.
No,
Can I
but
come
one
in,
second,
please?
Ragini,
know,
just
I
a
mean,
minute.
what-
No,
Let me
Ragini.
complete my sentence.
Ragini, one
Then I
second.
will- then I can have
Ragini, again,
discussion with
I
Ragini.
don't want to. No, one second.
It's a very
One second.
interesting angle.
One second. I
Which
just
cannot
want to
be
say one thing at
ignored.
this
There are
point.
certain-
No, one
Please,
Ragini,
please.
Ragini, I just want to say one thing. I want to say one thing at this point. Two things I want to say. One, first thing I want to say about Kamal Mitra Chinoy, who's looking hurt at the fact that I'm questioning him, because today he is a member of the Aam Aadmi Party on my program. So all our questions and what he may perceive, Professor, as our attacks seem to be aimed at you. But let me caveat that and underline
No,
that
that's
by
okay.
saying
That's a theoretical
no. But
attack.
let me say that. Let me add one thing to that. That I am quite happy, and in fact, I think we would be relieved that there are people like you who have the ability to soak up and be open to criticism. What you need to do is to take that attitude to the other people in your party and to Ragini, by the way. You know, Ragini, please, before you could start jumping on the Aam Aadmi Party, I want to remind you around 4 o'clock on the 8th of December, 2013, a young man called Rahul Gandhi came out and addressed the media. And he said that, you know, we need to emulate the Aam Aadmi Party. We need to do what they are doing. They are the ones who've opened things up. So your leader, Rahul Gandhi, made no, one second. So you are the ones, you're the ones who are romantically involved with the Aam Aadmi Party, not the media. No, one second. Yes, Ragini.
Rahul Gandhi and Arvind
No, let Ragini reply.
Have a debate on Rahul Gandhi
And they were
and get this matter settled. You have to bring in Rahul Gandhi in each debate of yours.
They were
There is a
lacking
particular
confidence,
point that I
they
want
were
to make.
lacking
Please allow me
experience,
before you say that
and they were
there's no
immature,
time
so
left.
Both are having the same time of reaction.
No, let Ragini reply, please.
Ragini, what can he say
Can I
against
come in?
Rahul Gandhi, poor girl?
You know, Arnab, there's a very interesting angle. There's a very interesting
I know,
angle that
I
we're completely missing and ignoring here. If we pay a little bit of a focus on the content of Manish Sisodiya ji's letter, we would find out that he has now put on the blame of leaving the one bird in hand and moving on to the two in the bushes on Yogendra Yadav. Now, I see this as a very strategic ploy to cleanse. The cleanse and salvage Arvind Kejriwal of all the past misdeeds, of the guilt of all the mistakes that he has done in the past, and again project his image as the knight in the shining armor,
I mean-
as a saint.
No, Sabha, Sabha says you're misreading.
Who did not
Sabha.
want to actually
That's
Sabha.
you know, it's so funny, Arnab.
1 minute,
I'm
Ragini.
finding this so funny. I'm finding this so funny
And I
because
think this is-
it's happening on a much worse scale. What Ragini is describing, it's happening on a completely incompetent leader at every level in the Congress party. I've just done a story on it,
Yeah, Congress
and that
party.
is they do it at a scale which
They
is
are learning from
unprecedented.
Congress.
In no other
Sabha, you
party
can-
is the
you can
leadership
find it
so
funny.
incompetent, and are they so people protecting
I have a right
them?
to say what I
It's hilarious because you know Ragini, you could have internalized you could have internalized what's happening to your party, and you imagine that is happening elsewhere.
No,
the AAP is having a lot of problems, but what you're describing is
AAP
actually
is
precisely
learning
what
from
happens.
Congress.
in
You
the
know,
Congress.
Sabha, at
And
least
it's
the
happening
Congress
right now.
party is serious
So, you know,
about introspection,
yeah.
is serious about certain churning, is serious about sitting down,
What
talking across the
introspection?
table,
Nobody can
analyzing
say
what has
anything.
gone wrong within
No
the
one
party.
can
What is
criticize
the
Rahul
reason for this
Gandhi.
debacle?
Ragini,
But the
no
Aam
one
Aadmi
can
Party is not
criticize
even
Gandhi.
serious about
Ragini,
that. You see, that is the problem.
Ragini,
you can
what
lash out at Rahul
introspection?
Gandhi, but
Arnab,
this person has left the party from the front.
Ragini, one
He has
second.
taken
Ragini,
responsibility
hear
for
it,
defeat,
hear it
and he's
tonight
trying
from,
to restructure the
hear
party.
it tonight from
You
R.K.
cannot
Mishra.
stop-
Ragini, one second. Don't protest too much. I'll start revealing secrets otherwise. Hear it tonight from R.K. Mishra. And before I come to R.K. Mishra, I want to share a little anecdote. A top leader from the Congress party was so exasperated with the appointment of Mallikarjun Kharge that he went around calling all
Mallikarjun
senior
Kharge.
journalists
Yes,
saying,
yes.
can you please make a big deal of it? When the
Yeah.
journalist told him...
Arnab, I'm surprised.
No, one
Why
second.
don't
When
you
the
name
journalist
such
told
leaders?
him why he was
Where
not
do you
speaking...
get these fictitious
he
leaders
said,
and their
he said, you
anecdotes?
know how things in my party are. One second. Yes, R.K. Mishra
These
wanted
are
to
not-
say
Why
something
don't you
to you.
start naming people?
Okay.
Don't give
I don't
hypothetical
reveal my
statements,
sources.
Ragini,
you see.
Ragini.
Yeah.
Start naming people.
Ragini,
Under
Ragini,
the
please.
oath of confidentiality,
Ragini.
you can pretty much say whatever
Ragini,
you
hear
want
it
to
tonight.
say.
Learn from what's
And
happening
say
in the
that-
art.
Ragini,
and
keep
put
quiet.
that on
Mr. Mishra is saying
Congress
something to you. He says, keep quiet. 1 second. Yeah.
Ragini,
Yeah, Mr.
I
Mishra,
think
I
while
will
we are
listen
at the
to you.
case
Please
of
go on.
AAP,
Yeah.
no, unfortunately, I think while we are at the case of AAP, the more introspection is needed at Congress party. It is really sad that we don't have a legitimate leader opposition because of the such low number of Congress. Now, what Manish Sisodia is doing for Kejriwal has been done by every single Congress leader. In fact, I have some good friends within Rahul Gandhi's close circle, and I said if you had made Scindia, Jyotiraditya Scindia as the president of the party and Kamal Nath as the speaker, your party has some chance of survival, and this is on record. I think we should try
Mishra ji,
to have an
Congress
effective
party is
opposition
not
to the
averse
BJP.
to any kind of
This is
introspection.
absolutely
We are
disaster.
doing that. We will consider your suggestions. Thank you very much.
No,
We
no,
will- we will-
introspection
we will
This is the
consider
same
that.
attitude. Same attitude as the
No,
art.
no, you will do everything. You will do
I'm
everything,
saying
but in the end
we
result
will
will
hear
be
out.
Sonia Gandhi
You-
and Rahul
How are
Gandhi.
you comparing these two attitudes?
Sonia Gandhi and
I'm
Rahul
saying
Gandhi.
we will consider your suggestions. What else do you want me to say on a news channel?
Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, you please.
I'm being
please,
as humble
country
as I
has
can.
changed.
I'm
You
saying
guys
we
need to
are
understand.
accepting.
No,
No,
I'll
country
tell you.
has
No,
changed.
no,
You're not
Ragini,
realizing.
again,
You're
I'd
not
like to say
realizing.
this to you.
The
Ragini,
Congress
I'd like to say
leaders
one.
are
Ragini, just
making
listen, please.
people
Listening is a
from
good thing.
all across the
No, I'll
country.
I say something to you
Yeah.
which I said to the Aam Aadmi Party also. They didn't listen. I always told them listening is a good thing. No, nobody wants to draw analogy
Listening good thing.
with the Congress party. I find it interesting that a party with 4
Arnab,
MPs
you are
also...
forgetting one person.
No, watch. The party with 4 MPs also does not want to be compared to a party with 44 MPs. Incidentally, there are 3 things similar between the 3 parties. One is that both the parties are crumbling. Secondly, is both the parties' top leadership is in a mess. And
Arey Baba, Arnab.
third is that
No,
the fight is becoming
this
public.
comparison is absolutely unfair, Arnab. The Congress.
No,
is
once
still
I want
trying
to go
again
to
taking
Santosh
right back
Bhartiya.
from the ashes.
Santosh Bhartiya.
And
No, Santosh.
I'm sorry, but the Aam
Thank you.
Aadmi Party has to pass this litmus
One
test.
second, let
Before
Santosh
they do that,
Bhartiya
please
speak.
don't make these bizarre comparisons.
Let Santosh
I will
Bhartiya speak.
protest.
Let Santosh Bhartiya.
We don't want to pass a family litmus test.
Fine. Santosh Bhartiya.
Hello.
Interestingly, Manish Sisodia says you have made the fight public when he writes to Yogendra Yadav. He does not say there is no fight. All that he says is you have made the fight public. Yes, do go ahead, sir.
Arnab, one thing. I was correspondent of Raivar that time, and Ajay was my senior. He was in Sunday. We met Indira Gandhi, and we fought each other. It was big fight. Ajay is a witness. इंदिरा गांधी ने सारे झगड़े के बाद मुझे ये कभी नहीं कहा कि मैं तुमको बंद करवा दूंगी, तुम्हारा अखबार कॉर्पोरेट का अखबार है
बिल्कुल।
या तुम लोग जर्नलिज्म नहीं कर पाओगे, किसी तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया. वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू, हु रिवील्ड दिस लेटर टू प्रेस? योगेंद्र ने ईमेल किया अरविंद को, मनीष ने उस ईमेल को किस तरीके से योगेंद्र की चिट्ठी को रिवील किया और ये चिट्ठी लिखी. सवाल सिर्फ ये है कि ये पहले कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो रही है इस पार्टी में, जिसको अगर संभालना है तो ओनली अरविंद कैन टैकल दिस. बट अरविंद इज नॉट कमिंग विथ फुल विलनेस. ये बड़ी भारी प्रॉब्लम है कि अरविंद खामोश बैठे हैं, पार्टी को संभालते नजर नहीं आते. एंड एक चीज मैं आपको बताऊं, इस पार्टी से इतनी आशाएं थी. अजय जी, वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू, मोरारजी देसाई के एरोगेंस की वजह से पार्टी टूट गई, दोबारा नहीं खड़ी हो पाई जनता पार्टी. देन जनता दल वीपी सिंह आपसी लड़ाई में पार्टी खत्म होगी, दोबारा नहीं खड़ी हो पाएगी। इसलिए मुझे डर ये है कि आम आदमी पार्टी की ओबिचुरी तो नहीं है, लेकिन बिकॉज वी ऑल लव अरविंद केजरीवाल, हम उनको चाहते हैं कि वो एक ऐसी पार्टी सामने रखें, कम से कम बीजेपी और कांग्रेस को जो आईना तो दिखा सके, लेकिन वो होता दिख नहीं रहा है।
बिल्कुल, there has to be an alternative, and Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi don't have, you know, I've always, you know, the BJP's problem is today you don't want an opposition party in the country. Obviously you can't create an opposition party, but you should not be so glib that there is no strong opposition party to you. You should neither be arrogant, nor should you be glib, nor should you believe that you've, you know, conquered the final political citadel. You should be careful, because the moment you get into that kind of frame of mind, people will prove you wrong. Raj Kadian, are you going to remain within the Aam Aadmi Party?
There are no full stops in politics.
There are no full stops in politics, I agree.
We are not at all arrogant
As of now,
of not having any opposition.
there is no
I would like to quote one thing. If you remember, during 2002 riots, there are certain English channels which were emerging at the time, and they were a strong critic of BJP. At the time we were in power. Forget about influencing them. We have not done anything against them, because we respect opposition and we want to counter opposition in a democratic way.
What was that?
But
Of
somehow
course you
there are
can't.
certain
You're not
principles
doing
of
anybody
politics
a favor.
which never changes in thousand
No,
years.
of course you
There is
can't.
one
What do you
principle
mean we
is power,
didn't do? You're not
corruption,
doing
and
anybody a
power,
favor.
corruption.
The day you
And
try
it
to... leads
to disaster. That is what happened with
but
Aam Aadmi
I don't
Party.
like that.
Congress Party.
What do you
There was
mean
a
by
young
that? You know, we didn't
inexperienced
do
leader
anything. You
in
can't do anything.
Late Sri Rajiv Gandhi,
No,
who has
you-
got 414 seats to 44 seats. In another
Well-
young leader, inexperienced leader, Rahul Gandhi.
I'll leave it here tonight.
And well trusted, well tested.
Of the vote.
Well, I'll leave it here tonight, but only one thing, Kamal
And the
Mitra
NDA
Chinoy.
has got 38.5% of the vote.
Kamal-
far from a massive majority.
Kamal Mitra Chinoy, what's happening in your party is very, very serious. I think you have a lot of thoughts to take back to your party leadership tonight. That is, if your party supremo talks and listens to you anymore. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.
This is Times Now, Super Prime Time.